My name is Symeon Papadopoulos. I come from Thessaloniki, Greece. Currently I work as a research associate in CERT ITI, and I'm also a PhD candidate in Aristotle University of Thessaloniki.
Okay. If you could tell something about the task which you were part of here?
I took part in the social event detection task, which basically asked us to devise an automatic method to extract social events depicted in a large collection of Flickr photos. More specifically, there were two challenges. The one was to detect soccer events in two specific cities, while the dataset contained more than two cities. And the second challenge asked us to identify photos of events taking place in two specific venues. One of the most striking findings in our work was that we could achieve very competitive performance using a very simple method. And we were actually quite happy with that, because it means that simplicity wins. And another important finding is that a very important role is played by the domain knowledge and the external knowledge that one can integrate in their approach to detect automatically concepts or entities in media content. In general, this is a very unique place. I had never slept in the place where probably some decades ago a monk would be sleeping. And the atmosphere is, I think, to a large extent still the atmosphere of a convent. So I think there is also a special kind of energy here. And well, the bells in the morning might be a bit annoying if you want to sleep a bit more, but still it recreates the atmosphere of the place. I find that Media Eval is a workshop that is very personal, very friendly. I think that the organizers put really a lot of personal effort in order to make this as good as possible. Basically, there was no organization problem during the conference. Everything was well timed and scheduled, and there was always this nice informal style that you could get direct contact with everyone, and I think it's really worth paying a visit and participating. Well, actually, I think not only being, but also taking part and in a sense competing, but not with the goal of winning, is intriguing. I mean, we were challenged and we didn't know what would come out of it, and in the end you see how you stand and what others do, and you actually see new ideas that others employed. Of course, as always, there are other exciting aspects in workshop, as meeting new people, seeing the place. For me, it was the first time coming to Pisa, so there are many interesting things I experienced. Of course, I'm interested as long as there are other conditions that are out of my hand allow for it.